welcome back to another Candleman production. And we're doing a little video on filling woodwork. There's that many zombies out there that just don't know how to fill woodwork so it benefits them when they come to rub it down and undercoat it. The sites I've seen are astronomical. I've seen them fill woodwork on these frames and like it takes them about 10 minutes to scrape it down with a scarcing blade, you know what I mean? Like absolutely unbelievable. The object of filling woodwork in a new plot is to make it easy for yourself when you come to rub it down, dust it off and undercoat it. So the basic idea is fill it properly, but don't leave any excess filler on. So in this video I'm going to show you guys who don't know how to fill, preferably you day workers who work for Mrs. Jones for like 60 quid a day and Typhoon Jet. He probably can't fill to save his life. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to fill it with minimum rubbing down. It's still going to be filled properly, so let's get on with it. Right, so here's quite a deep hole where they've put the screw in. So there is a method to doing this. You don't want to be overfilling these because it's just going to give you a pure headache and it's going to take you 5 times longer to rub it down. So just get a bit of filler, put it in, and as you draw your knife down, just push it in. Put pressure in so it fills the hole. Right, so that's all you need to be doing. Give another example, look. Push the filler in so it sort of like balls out a bit. You might have to just go over it a few times like that. Right, so here, get the filler on, just go over 1 or 2 times, pushing it in. Simple as that. You don't want to be leaving them like some blokes do, sort of like, exaggeration, but they'll leave it like that, do you know what I mean? Just go over it 1 or 2 times, push it in so it bubbles out, and it's near enough flat, minimal rubbing down there. Well, now I'm going to show you on this door frame. Now these are just nails which have been put in by nail gun, so the small holes, but the same thing applies. Just minimal fill, just push it in, get it near enough straight. Same again, look, straight, yeah, hole, where are you? There's a hole. Put the filler over, and as you bring it down, push it in the hole. And just rub your knife over and make it straight. Well, a bit too much filler on the knife there, but look. And that filler I've got on my knife there, that'll do. I could get round the whole frame with that. Dead simple. Same on the flats. Put the filler on, push it in the hole, and the idea is pushing it in the hole and getting it straight. Don't leave any. Don't leave yourself too much rubbing down. Look. Lump on there, push it in the hole. Straight, simple as that. Right then guys, when it comes to skirting boards, you want just the right amount of filler in these in the nails on the skirt. Don't overfill. If you overfill, it's going to take you 10 times longer to rub it down. All you need to do is push the filler in the hole and scrape it flat. And when you come to rub your skirts and dust them off, all you've got to do is flick over the filler. So let's just do a quick example, look. Fill the hole, push it in, good. Fill the hole, scrape it flat. They're just small holes. There's no need to leave excessive amounts of filler. Right, see these two holes? Nail holes, done by a nail gun by the chipper. Just get a bit of filler. Push it in a couple of times. Flat. You don't want to be leaving it like that. When that goes hard, that's going to give you a right headache. So just push it in the hole, flat. Push it in the hole, scrape it flat. Simple. Right guys, this is what I use for filling up a plot. I've got my 2-inch flexible filling knife, a wall scraper and my filler. And the filler I use, if I want to get around the whole plot without it going off, is polyfill. If I want to only do a bit of filling and I want it to go off quick, I'll use easy fill. So that's the kit I use. Now when it comes to them big screw holes in the frames, you've got to push it in, scrape it down. As you're scraping it down, try and get it so it bubbles out a little bit. You don't want to be overfilling them. Otherwise you're going to spend shitloads of time rubbing down, and that's money, isn't it? So work smarter, not harder, right? When it comes to your skirts, they're only little pinholes from the nail gun. Just fill the hole and use your filling knife to get it flat. You don't want to be going round all them skirting boards rubbing shitloads of filler off because you've overfilled them. So just watch how I've done that filling, and that's how you should be doing it. It's the easiest way, the quickest way, and you're still filling it properly at the end of the day. So, I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to, until next time, from the Candleman, work smarter, not harder.